back on the light.
I don't know, there's an accident or what's going on up there.
This guy's stuck over here to the right.
Well, just look, get way over so you get around that car. Don't blow the horn. Just, hey, don't worry about what's that car right there in the trailer. That's what you got to be concerned about right there. Go ahead, keep going. Watch that trailer on that car. Make sure you're by him.
Yeah, I got some space.
All right. And come back over. That's how you get out of that road. If you would have sat at that stop sign, we'd never get out because they're not going to give you a break. That's why you block off one side and make everybody wait.
Oh my God, what a nice day.
Everybody come out to enjoy the liquid sunshine. Like I said, where you going to go and have this much fun? Are we having fun yet? Thunder. This is why they're going slow, because the damn road's flooded. That's why, look. The road's flooded. That's why they're going so slow. Look at it. You get out here, it's going to be over your ankles. Look at that.
Maybe it's gonna be a little less trip today.
We're gonna go straight up.
Yes.
Oh, this is why they're going slow. There's no accident. They're driving through a river.
Gonna be a lot of basement problems today.
Watch this guy.